Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a fraud alert with TransUnion, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify a fraud alert with TransUnion, begin by gathering necessary information. Make sure you have your personal identification details on hand. Visit the official TransUnion website. Locate the fraud alert section on the homepage. Select the option for identity theft or fraud alerts. You may need to create or log into your TransUnion account. Follow the prompts to access your credit report. Review the information being displayed for any inaccuracies. Look for any fraud alerts currently on your report. If no alerts are present, you can initiate a new one if necessary. If there is an existing alert, note the expiration date. Contact TransUnion directly for verification in case of any discrepancies. Prepare to provide your identification details to confirm your identity. TransUnion may ask additional questions for security purposes. Once your identity is verified, request confirmation of the fraud alert. You will receive a reference number for your records. After verification, monitor your credit report regularly. Consider setting up alerts for future changes to your report. Stay proactive about protecting your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.